I'm back at Trader Joe's to share some of my favorite grab-and-go salad options, plus my favorite tip. This Chinese-inspired salad comes with chicken, veggies, and a sesame dressing, and it only has 280 calories for the entire container. The lemon chicken and arugula salad has tons of flavor, plus couscous and red quinoa. It feels really fancy, and the whole thing has only 290 calories. It's a perfect lunch. All of the inspired salads are great, and I actually think this one is my favorite. It has corn, pumpkin seeds, and a little bit of a spicy dressing. And because I eat this one all the time, I know a tip. I only use half the dressing to save a bunch of calories and fat. That'll make the salad only have 300 calories in total. Here's another great salad with cheese, tomatoes, egg, and a creamy Dijon dressing. You can save 90 calories and 9 grams of fat by using half the dressing. You don't even need it. Which is your favorite grab-and-go salad at Trader Joe's? Follow for part 4, and don't forget to subscribe to my free daily emails for recipes and more at hungry-girl.com.